So back in 2001, I got divorced, and a hard time back then. We owned a home back then, but then we sold it, and then we just had a lot of credit card debt back then. We had a lot of debt, and then we ended up, I ended up having to do a bankruptcy way back then. And it was hard because I literally had no choice. I had so much debt, and it was like I was just paying on top of paying on top of paying, and I wasn't getting anywhere. So I ended up moving out to Murrieta in 2007, and I met my husband out here, and then we started going to a new church out here, and then that's where we met Tiffany and her family out there, and got connected with her. I had told her my backstory and things like that were happening to me, and she said, "Let me help you. Let my company help you, and we will, get you through this hard time."